Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Honorable Mr. Bobby Octavia Yuskar MPD, as the lecturer of the English class, and all my fellow students whom I'm proud of, let us express our gratitude to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala for His blessing and mercy that we've been granted countless blessing and prosperity. Before I start the speech, let me introduce myself. My name is Nela Septiani Putri with identity student number 6425080 from Management Major. Today, I want to share my talk through this speech. The topic is the dangers of smoking in campus environment where the campus survives as place for learning and personal growth. Maybe some people think smoking is just small thing, but it's quite common that many students still smoke around campus. That's true is smoking brings a lot of harm to yourself and also to other around you. Cigarettes contains a toxic such nicotine. This can cause a serious health problem, including lung disease, heart problem, even a cancer. There, my friend, the danger of smoking doesn't only affect to active smoker, but also passive smoker or the people around campus who have to breathe in the smoke. Imagine around us uh, there might be friends who are studying, eating, or even those who have breathing problem. Yet they still have to deal with cigarette smoke spreading through the air. Campus should be a smoke-free area because it's supposed to be a clean, safe, and comfortable place to learn. That's why we all need to remind each other to avoid smoking or speeding, not to smoke around the campus. As an educated student, it's still our responsibility to keep our campus clean and free from cigarette smoke. We can start with small things from not smoking in area campus and reminding our friend who still do it so our campus environments stay healthy. Let's protect our campus as police and learn a place that's clean, safe, comfortable, and smoke free. If we can take a care smile thing like keeping that are clean, how we can create a true comfortable learning environment. That's all for my speech today. I hope sharing my talk about the dangers of smoking in area campus can be short to reminder and motivation for all us to live healthier and be more responsible for our campus environment. So, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, back with me again. I will read a PowerPoint with the theme of Vision Lord. My Honorable Bobby Octavia Yuskar MPD. So let me reintroduce myself. My name is Naila Septiani Putri. Number ID 6425080 and the class 641A07. What is question word? Question words are words used to form question when an interrogative sentence contains a main verb. It usually needs to be accompanied by a question word. There are 9 common question words in English. What, where, when, why, which, whose, who, whom, and how. These are often referred to as the AW plus 1 What? What? What is used to ask about things, object, action, or information in general? It is the place at the beginnings of a question to find out what something or what someone does. What examples? What is your name? Siapa nama kamu? What did your mom cook yesterday? Apa yang mama kamu masak kemarin? What will they wear tomorrow? And what practice time? Can you tell me what your favorite subject? Bisakah kamu memberitahu apa favorite subject kamu? Atau kesukaan subjek kamu? Do you remember what we learned yesterday? And I don't understand what you are saying. Next is where. What is where? Where is a question word used to ask about a place, patient, or direction related to a person, object, or event. In other words, it helps us find out the location of something or someone. Where examples? Where is the girl at? Where have you been? And where can I find a peaceful place to study without any direction? And where practice time? Do you know where she went? Please tell me where you put my phone. And I wonder where they are right now. And the next, and 3, when. What is when? When is used to ask about time. It helps us know at time that or period something happens or will happen. Untuk menanyakan waktu, tanggal, dan semacam periode. Kapan? When examples, when you are going to finish your final school project about renewable energy. When did you last visit your grandparents who live in another city? And the practice time when? I don't remember when we met last year. Can you tell me when the movie start? Bisa kamu memberitahu kapan film ini mulai? Do you know when they will come home? Next is why. Why is used to ask about a reason or causes. It helps us understand the purpose, motivation, or explanation behind an action or situation. Why examples? Why do you think education is the most powerful tool to change the world? And why did you break the glass? Kenapa kamu memecahkan gelas itu? Why does the cat keep snoring? Practice time, why? She didn't say why she was angry. Can you explain why you didn't come yesterday? I don't know why he is upset today. And the next 5, which. Which is used to ask about a choice from a limited or known number of options. It helps us identify one or more items from a specific group. Which examples? Which subject do you enjoy the most because the teacher always explains it clearly? And 2, which class should I take? 3, which car is yours? And the practice time, which. Do you know which book she chose to read? I can decide which dress I should wear. And please tell me which. Why is shorter? Whose? What is whose? Whose is used to ask about ownership or possession. It shows who something belongs to or who has a particular things. Whose examples? Whose your number are you calling? Whose bag did you bring? And whose phone keeps ringing during the meeting? Practice time whose? I wonder whose pencil this is? Do you know whose jacket that is? And can you tell me whose phone is ringing? Next, who. Can you? Who is used to ask about people, especially the person performing an action. It helps us find out the subject or identify of a person in a sentence. Ex- who examples? Who is responsible for decorating the hall for tomorrow event? Who won the match? Who want to try? Practice time who. I don't know who come to the meeting. Can you tell me who want to join the club? Do you remember who won the competition? Next, whom. Whom is used to ask about people as the object of an action. It helps us identify the person who refines the action in a sentence. Whom examples? Whom did you meet? Whom should I contact if I want to join the English debate competition? And whom is she talking to? And the practice time whom to whom should I give the invitation for the school meeting? Whom did you see at the library when you were doing your homework? Next, and the last is who. How is used to ask about the way, manner, or process something happens. It can also show condition, amount, or quality depending on the word that follow it. Example, how? How do you actually prepare yourself before giving a presentation in front of the class? How did you go home? How often do you go swimming? And the practice time is how? I wonder how he solved the problem so fast. Can you explain how this machine works? How long does it take you to go from your house to campus every day? So it's 9 question word in English. And then is dialogue example and pattern. Sebuah contoh dialog dan patternnya. Seperti itu. So, what? It's a dialogue. Anna, what are you doing, Nicole? Nicole, I'm reading my favorite books. Is pattern menggunakan kata what plus be plus subject plus verb ing. And then where? Dialogue Anna. Where are you going after school, Nicole? I'm going to the library. Pattern menggunakan where plus be plus subject and verb ing. And the next, when. Dialognya, Ani, when you will visit your grandparents, I visit them next Sunday. Patternnya, when plus will plus subject and plus verb. When, will, subjectnya itu grandparents and verb. Why is dialog? Ani, why are you sad today, Sarah? Because I lost my wallet. Menggunakan pattern why plus be plus subject dan plus adjective. Next, which. Dialognya Emma. Which do you like, the red one or the blue one? No, I like the blue one. Is menggunakan pattern which plus noun plus do atau does atau did and plus subject plus verb. Kalau whose, dialognya Emma. Whose jacket is this on the chair? No, that's my brother's jacket. Menggunakan pattern whose plus noun plus be plus this atau that or this do or does. Next, who is a dialogue who. Who, Ella. Who is your English teacher? Rian. My English teacher is Mr. David. And menggunakan pattern who plus be plus subject atau noun. Is whom, dialognya Ella. Whom did you meet at the park yesterday? Ren, I met my old friend, Kevin. Menggunakan pattern whom plus did plus subject and plus verb. And the last, how. Dialog how, Alika. How do you go to school every day? Bayu. I go to school by bicycle. Menggunakan pattern how plus do or does or did and plus subject and the plus verb. In summary, 8W plus 1H help us question curly. Jadi dengan 8W plus 1 ini mempermudah kita untuk kehidupan kita sehari-hari. Each question word has a different foundation and practice help you ask them correctly in daily conversation. So, it's my PowerPoint question word. And thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.